Hey there, YouTube. Wyoming's elk-aholic, and it has been a while since I did a video. I apologize for that. I have, just had a lot of stuff going on. As you can see, I'm covered in grease. It's been a crazy day. So, the reason why you're watching this is because you saw that I figured out how to get the cup, the inner cup, from a CV axle on a Polaris. I have the X2 Sportsman 570 2015. And when I went to replace that left rear CV axle, the damn thing fell apart. Let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so my garage is a mess. But when I jerk this sucker out, you can see the inner cup, which the new one, my welding helmet is here, I'll explain that. The new one is right here. So, I tried a number of things. Of course, I disconnected this stabilizer for the control arm from here so that I could drop this down or raise it up. I originally had it raised up. Of course, you have to take this cap off of here and take this nut off. And then you can pull the CV axle out this way and flex it around, and then that inner cup stays on. And what I had to do, I had to use two pry bars. Because I had ran, what I did is I ran one pry bar back here, hammered it in, got that part stable, or that part raised out, and then I took another pry bar here, and I hammered the top of it in behind. And let me, it's stuck, but it's coming out. You might be able to see it started out, but here, let me set you up here. Okay, so I got my crowbar there. And it's stuck, but it's coming out. Hopefully it didn't damage that transmission housing. Yeah, it's definitely stuck. I got it to a certain point and mine's sticking again. But I tried welding a bar across here and hooking it to my truck. I tried clamps, C-clamps, again, and hooking it to my truck. And this has just been a freaking disaster. Alright guys, I'm sorry I knocked the camera over right as it came out. But damn. That clip is on there. But it looks like it's all rusted. And it's probably not compressing. And then if we look on the inside, there's dirt and stuff, but dang, I don't think I damaged the housing at all. Like I said, I welded. I did a lot of crap to try to get this out. I was hooking C-clamps to it, hooking toe straps to the C-clamps, trying to jerk it out with my truck. That wasn't working. I tried to weld this shit with a bolt, and this doesn't weld with this shit either. So I don't know what kind of metal this is. Some other expert on fucking metal could probably tell me. But I couldn't figure it out. Finally, I just started prying. There was just enough space to get a pry bar back here. I even tried wrapping wire around behind this and then hooking the wire to the tow rope with like a triple wrap, and it just kept busting the wire. Not easy, guys, but I'm going to put this back together with a new CV axle and hopefully we're good.